Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. And I love this quote by Chris Brogan. And he says that the goal isn't more money, but the goal is living your life on your own terms. You know, that's really what it is, okay? Because if you think about it, we've always desired, we've always wanted what money could do for us, okay? So when you really think about it, what we really want, okay, is really to live the kind of life that, you know, some people call it their best life, okay? We've heard that terminology. Some people say it's my dream life or the life of my dreams, okay? Or my most desirable life, okay? It's the life that I want to live, okay? And here's the thing about the money part. You know, I don't deny that money is important, okay? But money is really not the goal. The goal is what that money can do for us, okay? Money is a tool. Money is an instrument to help us to get to the goal. And what's the goal for our discussion? Okay, the goal is living our lives on our own terms, however we wish to define that. And obviously that's going to be it's going to mean different things to different people, but we get a sense in our hearts what that is. Okay, we all want to live the kind of lives that we want to live. Okay, and so, you know, I've got a little information that I want to share with you, and it is an opportunity to make some money online. And you know, I thought about that as well, that you know, opportunities to make money are also tools or vehicles, okay, to help us get to the goal. And what's the goal? The goal is living our lives on our own terms. So stay with me for the next 60 seconds. I just want to share this with you real quickly. Okay. Now on this page, I'm introducing really two business opportunities. Okay, one is a instant daily direct pay program. Okay, it's $50 one time out of pocket. All right, you're able to use the payment processor of your choice, etc., etc. No admin fees, no website fees, no monthly fees. You don't need a website to do this business because we use a high converting web page. Okay, very simple system. All right, and then I've developed some incredible extras for those that would join in this opportunity. And if you were to join in the opportunity, you would be able to provide extras to the people that join you in the opportunity. Okay, it's one time, again, out of pocket. And these are some of the extras that you would receive right here. Copy and paste, email swipes, and texts, okay? Effective advertising sources, daily success action plan, bonus digital marketing products, okay? Weekly motivation and business tips. And then there's the second opportunity. And you would click this link to get there. And it says, please click the link below. There's a link below this that you're looking at here. And you'll be able to access the high converting web page. Click here to learn about our free bonus dream business opportunity. Now this opportunity is completely zero cost. Okay, it's a zero cost money system, a completely zero risk, no cost system that is helping people to create wealth online. All right, and what we're doing, we're introducing some shocking new technology that is automatically helping people to build wealth online. Okay, so if you have any interest in making money online, then certainly we want to share some of that information with you. And there will be a link in the description area of this video where you can check things, out on your own terms. Okay. But there you have it. And again, I just want to thank you for taking a few moments to check out this video. Okay. In closing, just gonna say this thought one more time. The goal isn't more money. Okay. The goal is living your life on your own terms. Man, I simply love that quote. All right, I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and awesome, powerful day today. Bye-bye now.